Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing innovations that are shaping the future right before our eyes. These 17 game-changing inventions are set to change how we live. You'll want to stick around for the last one. It's truly out of this world. Smart Security Drone. First on our list is a drone that takes security to the next level. Imagine having a drone patrolling your property, automatically scanning vast areas, detecting intruders, and monitoring suspicious activity in real time, all without you lifting a finger. This drone can cover up to 2 hectares in less than 30 seconds, navigating harsh weather conditions like snow and rain, and requires no manual control. The drone autonomously plans its path and even detects objects in low light conditions. Security has never been this smart or efficient. Pergola with smart features. Outdoor living just became a lot more luxurious with this customizable pergola. Perfect for those looking to upgrade their backyard, these pergolas come with rainwater drainage systems and smart technology like electric shutters. Offering openings of up to 7 meters wide, you can easily manage sun protection, privacy, and ventilation with its 8 movable parts, 6 in the walls and 2 in the roof. The pergola seamlessly blends with the environment, protecting your outdoor furniture and providing an ideal space for relaxation or entertainment. Whether you're enjoying a sunny day or need shade and security, this smart pergola has you covered. Revolutionary Snow Melting System. For those living in snowy climates, this next invention will make your winters so much easier. Covering more than 3,000 square meters, this heated system eliminates the need for shovels or snowblowers. What sets it apart is its energy efficiency, using 40% less energy than its competitors. It's fully automatic, prolongs the life of your pavement, and can even be installed on stairs and porches. FarmBot, the automated garden. Do you love the idea of gardening but don't have the time? FarmBot is here to help. This robot takes gardening into the digital age by planting, watering, and maintaining crops for you. Imagine designing your garden on a computer and having a robot bring it to life. With a working area of 2.4 by 6 meters, FarmBot is perfect for homes, schools, and even universities. It's open source, customizable, and works both indoors and outdoors. Spinks. Next, let's talk about cleanliness with a futuristic twist. This robotic toilet cleaner. It's not just any cleaning device. It fits right into your toilet lid, cleans the bowl and seat in just 90 seconds, and works with common cleaning products. With one battery charge, you get enough power for 30 cleaning cycles, and it comes with its own charging base. Capable of handling loads up to 136 kilograms, this robot ensures your toilet is always spotless. You'll never have to worry about scrubbing the toilet again. Kohler H2O-wise. Leaky pipes can cause major headaches, but this next invention can solve that problem before it even starts. This leak detection system monitors your water usage, diagnoses potential plumbing issues, and alerts you to leaks in real time. Even better, you can install it yourself. It's perfect for apartments and private homes, and all data is conveniently displayed in a mobile app. The G-Knob, Universal Smart Home Controller. Tired of managing multiple remotes and apps for your smart home? The G-Knob consolidates all your smart home controls into one intuitive device. You can rotate the knob to adjust temperature, lighting, and even curtain settings. Compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and other smart systems, the G-Knob is both functional and affordable, starting at just $40. 3D Kohl M28E. Next, we have the smart lawnmower that doesn't just cut grass, it thinks while it mows. Using 3D LiDAR technology, this lawnmower can map your yard, avoid obstacles, and remember different zones for customized cutting heights. It's perfect for lawns up to 4,000 square meters and doesn't rely on satellites to navigate. Invisibility cloaks. This tech may seem like science fiction, but thanks to advancements in metamaterials, invisibility is closer than you think. These cloaks manipulate light around an object, making it appear invisible to the human eye. Think about the possibilities. Cloaks hiding tanks, jets, and even soldiers in combat. This tech is not just about camouflage, it's about reshaping military strategy entirely. Flying cars. Companies like SkyDrive have already developed flying vehicles like the SD-03, a compact, emission-free machine that can transport people and goods without traffic. It flies autonomously or with a pilot at speeds of up to 100 kph and altitudes of 500 meters. It's an exciting glimpse into a future where the skies become our highways. Floating farms. With urbanization on the rise, cities are running out of space to grow food. Enter floating farms. These innovative farms, like the one in Rotterdam, produce dairy and crops right on water. These farms use renewable energy, solar panels, and rainwater, while recycling waste from the cities. By moving farms closer to urban centers, floating farms cut down on transportation costs and environmental impact. This is the future of sustainable agriculture, farming right in the heart of our cities. 3D printed food. 3D printing isn't just for plastics anymore. It's revolutionizing food production. Restaurants are already experimenting with 3D printed dishes. Using pastes like chocolate, purees, or dough, a printer builds intricate food layers, creating dishes that look too good to eat. This technology is still in its early stages, but its potential is massive. Self-driving cars. We've all been stuck in traffic, wasting hours behind the wheel. Self-driving cars are set to change the way we commute. Companies like Tesla are leading the way with autopilot modes. And while we're not fully there yet, self-driving cars are making rapid progress. These cars will reduce accidents caused by human error, save time, and make transportation more accessible for everyone. Pod taxis. Powered by renewable energy sources like solar power, pod taxis offer an eco-friendly solution to urban transportation. With speeds of up to 60 kph, they're faster than most ground transportation, and their compact design makes them perfect for navigating busy cities. The future of public transit just got a lot more exciting. Exoskeletons. Exoskeletons are wearable robots designed to give users superhuman strength and mobility. Originally developed for industrial use, they help workers lift heavy objects without injury, but they're also being explored for medical use. For example, these suits could help paralyzed individuals walk again by augmenting their muscles with robotic assistance. Solar roof shingles. Harnessing the sun's energy has never been more stylish. Solar roof shingles are a game-changing invention that combines the functionality of solar panels with the aesthetic of traditional roof tiles. Unlike bulky solar panels, these shingles blend seamlessly into your home while generating clean, renewable energy. They're tough enough to withstand harsh weather and can power your home while saving you money on electricity bills. Edible water blobs. Plastic water bottles are choking our planet. But what if we could replace them with something edible? Enter edible water blobs, a biodegradable, squishy alternative to plastic. These blobs are made from algae and can be eaten along with the water they contain. They decompose naturally within weeks, unlike plastic bottles that take centuries. While they're still in the experimental stage, edible water blobs could drastically reduce plastic waste, making them one of the most exciting eco-friendly innovations on this list. And there you have it. 17 incredible inventions that are changing the game and shaping the future. What invention are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.